Okay, if you want to speed set at 16 and the from the middle to the left the width is set at 10 and the right the width also set at 10. The delay is 0.3 seconds here, and here is 0.3, not 3 seconds, 0.3 seconds. And the right delay also is 0.6 delay. On 0.3 the seconds. If you want to play the oscillator, the testing, here we launch, we test it. You can see it. And launch, right? Here is testing. If we want to close off it, press again. Okay, stop the middle. If we want to change the speed, if you want speed, changing the 25 and change the width, we change it 20. Also change the 20 and change the 1 seconds. Okay, we test it. Oh, here is 1 seconds. 20, 25. Here means 1 seconds. We test it. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. 25. 25. The width is from here 10 is 20. After stop it, here is to the middle, stop. Okay, here is oscillators fraction. Here is step, oscillator speed step. Which step? We in the long page. When you welding, if you think of the oscillator, the speed is slowly, we can press here, change the speed when welding. Okay. Here is oscillator speed display this speed, and the step is here. Is 2, right? We should want to change it to 1. Change it 1 in the long page. If we want to run the welding you place this in the step this step edit. Okay. Oscillator on delay. When you in welding, we here choose the oscillator fraction must choose on. When you start, when touch go up. When welding, we PLC used this fashion. Open the oscillator, then delay time, then swing. Okay. This time is, and this time also. Here is oscillator, the manual speed. Manual speed is use this button and this button. Manual speed is this. Okay. Here is oscillator, the fraction, the value. Okay.